I got custom seatbelts for the Titan. Stick around for the install. All right, just headed to the upholstery shop to drop off the Titan seats that are back there, and I'm putting in some work. Oh, Winco. I go there to get donuts. The key to my heart is donuts. Actually, the key to my belly. But yeah, last minute drive on this. I know I don't show a whole lot of my car sales stuff anymore, but the Cube is hopefully getting sold to a customer that came to test drive it yesterday. I'm just going on a last minute test drive because he had some little quirks with it that he wanted addressed. So I'm getting a feel for it and doing that. The upholstery shop, so they will situate the airbags that were deployed, whole stuff going on there, and they sew up the seats as well. And it's a whole debatable thing, like, can you re-sew up seats? Can you redo airbags? Yes and yes. From what I understand, it's a different thread that goes into the seat because it has to be able to deploy, so I don't really know a whole lot about it. I just bring it. I've been going to this shop for the past 4 years since I've been doing rebuilds, and I've never had any issues or customers bringing stuff back. So yeah, let's fast forward to the shop. Just pulled up to the seat upholstery place. Time to bring the seats in. Now that that's done, back to the shop. I'm waiting 2 days for this. Well, shipping days.
Right in the water. I can take it in there.
Oh, I'm filming. Yeah. Oh. I didn't know if you wanted to be on it or not.
You got nothing in there?
Nope, nothing. Cool. Thank you.
Have a good weekend, bro.
You too. Fitting through the fence. Yep. Time to unbox this. You guys don't even know. Look, even Julian's smiling, and it's not even his truck. Okay, you ready? These are the seatbelts. Seatbelt color. I got a color change for the Titan. And yes, probably not everyone's style to have colored seatbelts, but these things. And
not this color, but.
And not this color. Like some people like red or blue or whatever. I tried to get as close to the Nobori, the auto of Nobori Auto as possible. This isn't, but it popped more than the other blue that they had, which was like a
electric blue, kind of like that.
Yeah, it was like the blue of the. It was actually a little bit darker than that.
Yeah, it was way darker than that.
Yeah, but not like a sky blue. I feel like is kind of, I don't know.
It was way off.
But yeah, we got turquoise because the truck's crazy, so might as well get crazy seatbelts, right?
And they look really good.
They look so good.
Stand out.
Yeah.
The point of this truck is for it to stand out, so that's what we're.
Exactly. Okay, so the reason that I went with a color change is I needed to do the front seat belts anyway, and like 2 Chainz, I'm different. Get a good angle of the GoPro action going on here, but let's go ahead and swap. Gosh darn it, little fly. Let's go ahead and swap these seat belts. Let's go ahead and install the seat belts. Thanks for correcting me, Julian.
I feel like I always do that.
Yep. the seat belts are in, minus like the pieces that need to go up for trim. Seat back up in here, and then I can put trim pieces on here. Tighten on
the side of the door.
Yeah. Last thing on the list is the airbag module. I sent that out to get reset as well. So just need to bolt that up right here, plug everything in, and it's good to go.
What the?
Here they are, at least the rear, the front, and I forgot to pull that one over the thing, so there's a middle one in there. The seats are at the upholstery shop, obviously. They'll be back sometime next week, but I'm in love with these seat belts. They may not be the style for everyone, but it fits my personality awesome. I'm not an outgoing personality, but I love bright colors. So these fit the truck and the look and the complete styling that I have for it. And it's, yeah, I'm super stoked to have these in here. And it will be even better once the front seats are here. It's all detailed. Everything will start slowly coming together. That's that for the seat belts. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments section below. I know some of you may hate them, some of you may love them, but they're in. They're not changing, that's for sure. All right, so the Titan is slowly coming together. And for those of you who love the look of this offset, there are things being made that are gonna change all of this in videos to come. So stay tuned for that. Also, for those of you who don't know this build, it's a 350Z all wrecked. It will start next week because I still have a lot to wait on for that. So in the meantime, the Z will be probably taking over, jumping in between some videos between Titan and Z. I need something to mess around in. 350Z is gonna fill that void. Sorry, Skyline. Stay tuned for more content. Go check out my Instagram because you will see content before. Julian's making fun of me, man. I suck at filming. But you guys will see content before it hits YouTube, or content that is never on YouTube. Like Julian doing burnouts in his Maxima.
I can do burnouts.
Nah.
CVT transmission.
Yep, no burnouts. But
well, I can. I might just need like. Yeah.
You can do burnouts in the Z. That being said, I'll see you guys on the next one. So will Julian.
Next video, I'm gonna be like.
Okay.
I said next video.
No, seriously. No, Julian's saying something on this video, guys. What'd you just say, Julian?
The truck looks nice.
Julian said that if there's 20 comments for him to start a YouTube channel, that he will start a YouTube channel, and it'll still be all Maxima, all Nissan.
We're on Nissan family, right?
Yeah, Nissan family, and it seems like we're doing all white cars.
Yeah.
The Z's white, the other Z's white, Titan's white.
The van's white.
Yeah, the NV's white, the Protege.
White.
Yeah, trailer's white. The walls in the shop are white. The garage door's white. The whiteboard's white. Julian's socks are white. And speaking of white, you know what else is white? Teespring t-shirts. You can get Teespring t-shirts for Nobori Auto that are white, and socks as well. They're legit. They're in the little thing underneath the video. Yeah, no, not the description. The little footer thing. I don't know. You'll see them. Just scroll down. You'll see all the t-shirt stuff from Teespring. Go buy one. Support the channel. Be cool, like all the cool kids. Right, Julian?
Yeah.
So stay tuned. I appreciate all of you and the support that you give. And that being said, I will see you guys on the next one. Oh, I went out the front, you went out the side.
Yeah, well,
See you later.
I was closer to here.
Exactly.
I avoided the water.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
I hope you didn't mind that.
Nope.
I don't do that very often.
You're fine. Got a awesome package coming in right here. XPO. Do you care if I film?
Yeah.